Hare Krishna. Welcome to our channel Droplets of Nectar. Today we will be discussing on the topic Can we avoid vigilance? So please like, share, subscribe our channel to get notified about more and more such videos. Today we will see what people can think about the vigilance. Can we really avoid it? Can we really skip our pap karma? Can we really skip whatever wrong we are doing? So in Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th canto, 1st chapter, 42nd verse, it is said, Suryo Agni Khammaru Devaha Somah Sandhyahani Dishaha Kamkuh Swam Dharma iti Hi ete Dahasyasya Sakshinaha. It is said 13 people are always watching us, always. Our all actions are being watched by these 13 people. On our head, 13 cameras are always looking us. We cannot escape it. Even our mind, whatever we are thinking, whatever we are doing, all these things are 13 people watching it. Who are those 13 people? The sun, fire, sky, air, demigods, moon, evening, day, night, directions, water, land, and super soul himself. All these people witness the activities of the living entities. So can we really avoid this vigilance? We can avoid the vigilance of the police, but we cannot avoid the vigilance of the God. In India today so much crime is continuously going on. So much crime rate is continuously increasing. Child extortion, rape, murder, drug abuse, drug addiction, and so much crimes are continuously going on. Crime rate is continuously increasing only. We are having many mechanisms to solve it. Police are there, BSFs are there, CIDs are there are so many other agencies. But is the desire to do the crime going on down? No. Because people are thinking no one is watching us. No one is seeing us. So we can do crime and escape it. We can escape the result of our actions. But the laws of God can never go fail. Laws of karma can never go fail. We can never escape the laws of God. We can never escape the vigilance of God. Some people say, अरे कौन देखता है, चलता है. नहीं चलता है, नहीं चलता है, सब देखा जा रहा है और उसका कर्मा हमें आएगा. People say, why this suffering happened to me only? Why so much being problem is in my life? Because of our actions, because of our karma. In Srimad Bhagavatam it is told, related to karma it is told that our all the actions are being vigilated by Yamraj and being notified. So we cannot avoid and escape the vigilance of the God. So we have to adhere to the laws of karma. We have to adhere to the laws of God. Sinful reactions are very hard to come out. So these sinful reactions have to be avoided. Bhagavad Gita says in that we can avoid this sinful reaction by chanting the holy name of the God. In this Kali Yuga, chanting of the holy name of the God lets us come out of these cycle of sinful reactions, and then really we will be coming out of this cycle of karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.